For anyone in project management, whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger team, accurate time tracking is more than just a good habit, it's a fundamental necessity. It underpins project profitability, fair client billing, and effective resource allocation. When exploring tools like FreshBooks, which is renowned for its invoicing and accounting capabilities, a crucial question often comes up. Does FreshBooks have time tracking? The answer is a definitive and enthusiastic yes. FreshBooks, while primarily known as an accounting and invoicing software, includes robust and user-friendly time tracking features that are seamlessly integrated into its core functionality. This integration makes it a powerful all-in-one solution for project-based businesses and individuals who need to manage both their time and their finances efficiently. Think of it this way. Time tracking in FreshBooks isn't an afterthought or a clunky add-on. It's an integral part of its design, built to connect directly with your projects, clients, and ultimately your invoices. This means you can track your work, assign it to specific projects or clients, and then effortlessly convert those tracked hours into professional invoices with just a few clicks. Let's delve into the specifics of how FreshBooks handles time tracking from a project management perspective. Intuitive time capture methods. FreshBooks understands that different people prefer different ways to track their time. That's why it offers a few flexible options. The running timer. This is the classic start and stop timer. When you begin a task, you simply hit Start on the timer within FreshBooks, available on desktop, web, and even a Chrome extension. As you work, the timer accurately logs your time. When you pause or complete the task, you hit Stop. This method is excellent for real-time tracking, ensuring maximum accuracy down to the minute. You're prompted to associate the time with a client, a project, and even add a service description, keeping your records detailed. Manual time entry. We've all been there. You get engrossed in work and forget to start the timer. FreshBooks accounts for this by allowing you to manually add time entries retrospectively. You can go back and log hours for specific days, weeks, or even months, providing details like the client, project, service, and duration. While less precise than the running timer, it's a vital feature for those moments when real-time tracking isn't feasible. Team time tracking. For businesses with multiple team members, FreshBooks allows each member to track their own time against assigned projects. This centralized approach means you no longer have to chase down individual timesheets or manually consolidate data. As a project manager, you can easily view your team's logged hours, assess progress, and understand how time is being allocated across different projects and clients. This visibility is critical for managing workloads and identifying potential bottlenecks. Connecting time to projects and clients. One of FreshBooks' major strengths is the direct link between time tracking and your established projects and clients. When you track time, you're prompted to select Client to ensure accurate billing and reporting. Project to understand time spent on specific deliverables and milestones. This is a game changer for project profitability analysis. Service to categorize the type of work performed, e.g., consulting, design, development, content creation. This structured approach means your time entries are always meaningful and easily categorized, providing valuable data for project analysis and future estimating. Effortless invoicing and reporting. The true beauty of FreshBooks' integrated time tracking lies in its seamless connection to invoicing. Once time is tracked, one-click invoicing. You can easily generate an invoice for a client that automatically includes all the billable hours tracked for their projects. You simply select the unbilled hours, apply your hourly rates, and FreshBooks populates the invoice for you. This dramatically reduces administrative time and ensures you never miss billing for a single hour of work. Billable versus non-billable. You can designate time entries as billable or non-billable. This is crucial for internal projects, administrative tasks, or any work that won't be charged directly to a client, while still keeping a comprehensive record of all hours worked. Detailed time reports. FreshBooks provides various reports that give you insights into your time usage. You can view reports by client, project, team member, or service, allowing you to analyze productivity, identify areas for improvement, and make more accurate estimates for future projects. These reports are invaluable for project managers looking to optimize resource utilization and forecast project timelines. Integrations for enhanced workflow. While FreshBooks' native time tracking is robust, it also integrates with other popular project management and productivity tools like Asana, Basecamp, Trello, and Teamwork. This means if you're already using these platforms for task management, you can often track time directly from within them, and that data will sync back to FreshBooks for invoicing and reporting purposes. This flexibility caters to diverse workflows and ensures your entire project ecosystem is connected.